Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how you can stop notification from your browser, your Google Chrome browser. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, to stop the notification from Google Chrome, simply follow my steps. As you can see here, it's my Google Chrome browser. I want to stop all notification to appear here in the right hand side. Okay, simply guys, in the top right corner, look at three dot here, click there. Okay, go to settings. As you can see, it's so easy. Then guys, here in the left side hand, as you can see, okay, click privacy and security. Okay, then here guys, we have many options. The fourth one, site settings, click here. Okay, scroll down. As you can see, that's it, notifications. Okay, select notifications option. Okay guys, here as you can see, you will see here all your notification websites. So as you can see, we have someone, it's enforced by extension application. So as you can see here, we have a notification by AliExpress. So this one can remove. Click in the three dots here in the right and click remove. That's it, as you can see. Also you can do the same things about other website notification. Also guys, in the top here, sites can ask to send notifications. Turn off these options. Okay, that's it. Now close. Thank you for watching. It's so easy guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.